This is to brief you about our forthcoming, the second Goa Bird Festival, which we are organizing in South Goa and at Kotegaon Wildlife Sanctuary from 12th to 14th of January. The first one, which was held in Bondla in November 2016, was not a grand success, but it was, for a first time, we were pretty happy with that. The response which we got, the delegates which came from various states, even from Punjab, somebody landed up in Goa for the first time just because of this festival. And we intend to make it not like exactly annual, but like this time we have included oceanic birds to take people to show them what type of migratory birds are coming in the ocean side, because we have got a long coastline and the coasts are very rich in bird life. We have other marine life also, but bird life are more visible, easy to sight. 3 days at Kotegaon we'll take the delegates to our sanctuary areas for a special birding trip, because most of the birds are active very early in the morning. So we'll start around 6:30. So that's it, and then afternoon, late afternoon. So during daytime, normally when we are active, the birds are not active. So you may always say, "Sab, where are the birds?" So the birds follow their own routine. So for any bird, most of the birds, an early bird, that proverb is also there, na? You will get the most. So from that angle, we start very early, just before sunrise, and then we should be inside the forest area.